A Love Where Dark Meets the Sunlight. Chapter 12. Princess Eristhea's heart ached with regret. She realized that Asmodeus's question had come from a place of genuine concern, not disrespect, and she felt terrible for scolding him. The thought of apologizing to a mere bodyguard, however, conflicted with her royal pride. This internal struggle created a knot of tension in her stomach, making her lose her appetite for brunch. Seeking to clear her mind, she decided to take a stroll in the courtyard and, with a heavy heart, informed her lady-in-waiting of her plans. As she stood up, the tension in the room seemed to rise, and all of her attendants began to move along with her. Princess Eristhea dismissed the rest of her attendants, leaving only Amelia and Asmodeus behind. The three stood in silence in the courtyard, a heavy tension hanging in the air. Finally, to break the uncomfortable quiet, Amelia spoke up, her voice gentle. "Princess, why did you ask us to stay?" Hanging her head low, Princess Eristhea began to speak. "First, Asmodeus, I must apologize. I was so tense and had no right to speak to you so rudely. I am truly sorry." She then raised her head to look at Amelia and Asmodeus. Both of them looked surprised and serious at the same time. She continued, her voice softer now. "The reason my eyes look like this is that I was crying yesterday and went to bed very late. Because of this, my eyes became swollen. This made me feel anxious this morning, and when you asked me about it, I lost my temper and snapped at you. I didn't mean it, and I'm very sorry." After speaking her mind, a sense of relief washed over the princess. She let out a sigh and then looked at Asmodeus, whose face was a mask of surprise. "What's wrong?" she asked, a hint of worry in her voice. "Is my apology not good enough? I've never really had to apologize before, so this is the best I can manage. If you're not satisfied, please just say so." Asmodeus simply smiled, leaving Princess Eristhea to stare at him in confusion. He then said, "Princess Eristhea, there is no need for an apology. Anything you say I will always take as an order. Remember, you are a princess. You are above everyone, and I am proud to be the bodyguard for such a compassionate princess." Asmodeus's words caught Princess Eristhea by surprise, and a deep blush bloomed on her face. To conceal her embarrassment, she abruptly announced that she was going to her room and walked away. Her quick exit surprised the servants, who wondered why she was so embarrassed. Princess Eristhea hurried to her room, locking the door behind her. She sank onto her bed, her hand pressed against her racing heart. "What is happening to me?" she whispered to herself. Asmodeus was left confused. He didn't know why the princess had run away. He worried that he might have said something wrong. As he and the lady-in-waiting went back to Princess Eristhea's room, he couldn't stop thinking, why was she crying yesterday?